chese osum awo tirim adwen boni and awo tirim sebia Marcus Rashford and moon cash kwakwada we ensom aye bia ma mo pan e wana Rashford ebe wo so na me imagine say me wuram ahwe say boys na chese ade bi across our internet ni so bia no wo mo ya we essence United Paradigm enso aye handle back a won shede ni following sa na so say ye Marcus ehu ye ekore tweet quote ye ensom aka say anioma akos no nyina no we appreciate aye Berman support na abuse na adonso a chese for month enie anya bosume baako enenya mienu madina tamache enough enough be share no say no close in the comment section wa carry about untimi comment wasa wo man fa no ho anche no kra na post we ase no ebi bo so mo chese wo ye koma ya soso mo so pacha wo ka ho onse no me be ka sa fadie wo ka place a Manchester pesa wo mo dwo mo kwa mo kwa Marcus Rashford aso ka ho metete se Arsenal enso ehwiahwia wo mo nyomo pa mo say mo ka se ka Havertz wawie wasa o manager fans Ateta be fano and the more say dia dance here and it's a Manchester for say send Marcus Rashford ayo bia wasa wonya de na so mo ton dia metis Arsenal esunya wo mo so epe na jaminya no so mo say ye koma ye du o matam e o Man U a wo Rashford onka o anya bia waje atamdidie eche Harry Maguire dabi na kwede Harry Maguire faso no ye ma mu wan kwota waje atamdidie eche Brozone yakota na ye fans Anthony eno som aye dabi anya bia no waje atamdidie ensom eche owura ye fans se wan bisaka eno so aye dabi tu de ya so kwa ma trim ana ayo dana chese ondama no wakunkom bebo bola wona jiska kase na chese won fa no de besie boba na wokoto na wo twe ho wusuro se bia ball no ball tibete a chese wo yakode ya so ama chese otrim a odewo ye be kan ya dwa chro pa eno ade akoda no wo mo som amfana ncha no kra wo man sin from a chese no so agibi agune hu ye pa chese no nyina no aye update eno som awa bra ho nsem no ye de emiete for enra Real Madrid publish almost squad and no pa make say wo my changes abam and say should Bellingham ababe wuram our squad dinimo now so akwada na fa no say Rodrigo want me ankom enra make sure say shoot and Rodrigo omumie no wo ma nya training wo be can publish almost squad no na shoot enim now so no person should Bellingham catch manager say obetumi yakọ ent ofan and squad no ent manager no and should Bellingham di and ya squad no e wa bra we some latest squad bobo kwa fans Madrid and kwa we e wa bra na ju omo game wo mo kwa against Real Sociedad no and no ensom no betumi abaswa ye de update time ye for na report am say kan say no pa okay me kan tip of no so say manager no abasa we make wholesale changes as a rotational policy and players makumako 9 amuntanya bi mono wo mo so abanya bi abo and na mom de men say kan nyina no say yes manager no if you say big match at a club you find say bamunchin eba ni kwan say odi game ekodi agro ento omo nyame ya doma next week aye Tuesday Champions League baso e wa Alliance Arena e wa bra bobo kwa find say Ben etna fie enso ane Real Madrid that body nyina no metis omo be start say Madrid a game against aye bamunchin ene ebi ebenya minute ni bi abo na mom sa chese boys and bobo mu diano pane de ada gulash no sankoda no mo na be start na mom match no guso alkwasono ayede awose boys no be every bench ba ebenya playing time kakra sere be a game against bamunche no wo mo so mabetinya wo me agyawamu a eno aye update e ba wonsam no yede emye for enano pay ensom awosho no so say wa bra mebeka no pay say ayas aye disappointed esense no mo ya we say manager ye fa no Xavi omo Xavi kasai ema Xavi e show interest awa twuma ne mom wakatwa mo say obako sabbatical leave eno ensom I chese 1 year say ya Xavi yanko no munya no say Xavi I stand a contract and so ade amabo kwa fan say chese no and so aye Barca wato aso no ye say Manchester so epe na Man U for so promo manager ye fan say Xavi Hernandez ni nyina no and so man so mo monitor situation and also across our bobo kwa fan say aye Barcelona omo monitor situation ni nyina no say ye say kwan ba ho a nanka omo tiri e pass manager no dwumadi a wono so adi adama side yɛfa no sɛ bouncer ɛwɔ soro ɛnom ayɛ kama ɛne sɛ nka kɔba sɛ wɔn nya owura ɛfa no sɛ Xavi sɛ na nka Manchester for no wɔn nso pɛ no so na me ne okasɛn no Xavi ɛtoa so ade ama side yɛfa no sɛ Barcelona na mom German sɛ kan sɛ manager no wɔn ma no guarantees ɛba ne player bɛtɔ aba player bɛgya no kwama akwa ne nyinaa no wɔn gyabi ɛde coach a yɛfa no sɛ Xavi na report am sɛ kan sɛ yɛsɛ Xavi no efu sɛ one Bernardo Silva no deɛ ɛwɔ so wɔn timi de ne ba na latest ɛwɔ akɔta no a yɛfa no sɛ Silva ane sɛ players a Barca ɛpɔm ne nyinaa no ɛna me no ka sɛ Barca wɔ sika bi a wɔn sɛ transfer market ne bi a wɔn de kom already wɔn de Kenya 58 million euros ɛno yɛ for players wɔn bɛtotɔ ɔmɛsa tonton bi wɔn to asika ɔmɛnya no nyinaa no wɔn so ɔbɛsa de aka ho na wɔabra mo pɛ Bernardo Silva no nyinaa no mete sɛ target awodo a Barca ɛpɛ yɛse ɛyɛ Bernardo Silva ana as of now where the closest access wɔn no ɛbɛtumi adwane Barca with ease wɔka player wɔbɛtumi adwane Barca ɛwɔ abrachɛ so ɔmo mmerɛ ho a mete sɛ deɛ ɔbɛn ho yie paa no ɛnso ɛyɛ akɔdan no a yɛfa no sɛ Bernardo Silva ɛwɔ abrɛ no ɛnso ɛyɛ update ɛba ho nsɛm no yɛde ɛmiyɛtɛ fɛ no wɔkye Barca so ɔmo pɛ Leroy Sane na Leroy Sane deɛ no wotu ba mo nkyɛn as of ɛnora anadwo ɛde ba no nyinaa no na Barca mpa Barca fofu sɛ bia Rafinha bɛtumi akɔgye a ɛwɔ sɛ Leroy Sane nso ba no ɔbɛhyɛm ɔno ɔtumi bɔ 10 ɛtumi bɔ wings baabi a de no bɛto bia no wɔno nso ɛtumi bɔ ɛma no yɛyie akyɛ sɛ no nso ayɛ update a ɛno nso ɛba ho nsɛm no nyinaa no yɛde ɛmiyɛtɛ fɔ mo se Kricha Kvaratskhelia ɛtwɛn Bobo kɔ ɛfa no sɛ Barcelona ɛno nti na boy no ɔnya sign a contract ɛma Bobo ku a yɛfa no sɛ Napoli yɛsɛ ɛyɛ Barca fɔ no akɔda no ɛnso ɛtwɛn no nti na ama saa deal no ɛnya ma so ɛwɔ abram no ɔkasɛ no anɔpɛi no ɛno ɛnso ɛyɛ update firi mu ɛnso ɛba Victor Osimhen so ɔbɛkɔ PSG no yɛsɛ Paris Saint-Germain fɔ no ɔmo gyiri yɛ paasa afidie ɛbɛnya aba so na Napoli nso bɛyɛ place akɔda no a yɛfa no sɛ Osimhen ɛdeɛ a wɔn ɛpɛ David Jonathan David makana semacho yesi leave for say 50 million euros ahono ana Napoli for so mo negotiate aye price and down na mo boy ni sika so no the any problem as a 5-year contract o man ready and 3 million euros a season and also aye amount akwadana ye fan say Jonathan David no one so abetimi age ade agune botom e wa bra no pay and no aye update e ba onsam nyina no ye de emiete for oka owura ye fan say Gianluca Zambrota Uka Zambrota, yes, Zambrota say. Ewia se nipa nka no kre na se nipa ka no kra anka Stefano Pioli munya ne sei Milan coach na de yeso we se mo mpam no we se munya ne kwan we se wonya de nanya manager na nanu yo dum G League mo na so a ehye Inter Milan for ya ma nanu ya Inter enso aba G League na so mo na so anya bia no onyom manager we a na pro se bibi na nkoye na so mo manager ne time na timi fixe e bia players no awso mo tobi aba ansa no na so mo ntimi ntobi ma I was some coach way and Gianluca Zambrota. Yes, what did you pass a crown of the coach now? Your friend sir Stefano Pioli Fasono and your crime arches and no and some update by young fence in our fee. Yamra Twaso.
Against in Old Trafford, the chances that they miss, or yesterday, for example, Pickford was exceptional with 2 or 3 saves in the important moments, and the game against Crystal Palace, I don't have the chances that they.
Okay, well, Mazabi be I find it.
Yami Adum fancy di Maria me to me so we.
Oh, Yami Adum, yentiwe.
Yes, fancy ma yanche tiefo na mo interest of Marcus Rashford in the tweeting. Shadrack Besenya ma yakamani beje ho pa na yɛhwɛ nneɛma baako mmienu bi about nsɛm na Rashford ɛka no nipa ne say the way Marcus Rashford is being treated is absolutely disgusting. It is cruel, it is abuse. I appreciate your support. it is abuse. It has been for months. Enough is enough. Fancy. But see, the two sides of the coin in terms of what both of them are describing as an abuse. Obiano confaso efa criticism. Any Obiano confaso take criticism as say. Criticism can never be abuse, and abuse can also not be criticism. Two different things. Who divide more? Abuse could mean a different thing altogether, especially abra wo attacking the panankasa personality. What did they mention? I say no. So, for example, Rashford, ebia, when we say Rashford, ebia, adibia anything about your personality, be a wankasa uni pedia, ye wanaye bibiditi no. Fancy, I think said that is quite an abuse. Say ni pakron asa onye hwe kra na opeso tie bibiditi o ma wunu sa de na waye no. Onye hwe. And this and there are genuine concerns and criticisms when it comes to Marcus Rashford too. Ebia Rashford, me hear body language on the pitch now. Say I say body language in FA. Rashford, the number of goals I was sharing last season, this season, you know, as I enter Serbian, you're sure you are not contributing a lot to us. Into Rashford, Jaidia Church, you know, and also so Obeka say be a criticism and I say abuse. Obisu betima kase Marcus Rashford. You heard the way I offer boy we city treat the run page now crap so the payment on that. And yet, a man carbon car passing home, your man share and Kebeboa. There are genuine criticisms when it comes to his performances. But why is he drawing that particular line between the two of them? First, Di Maria, Yasha Bidi, Marcus Rashford Nankasano, for some time now, Wakasa about abuse, and Chebia, Anokoye interview, Players Tribune, Okotina Sukodi in Komono. No can in same bebre say a man for attacking a man for banning DM all of this is me and the main support abuse one bit. But the best way to shut critics up or more would you to me say or more abuse no up no is to put up a consistent performance on the pitch. Is to put out a consistent performance on the pitch. Last season, Rashford bought 56 matches to Manchester United or she 30 goals or a 10 assists. What is say Obi abusing Marcus Rashford? What is say Obi raising a concern of criticism? The PR around Marcus Rashford is not helping him at all. And Biana on Ferdinand, Evoka Sam said, "Oh, Rashford performances in the man now than in the body language now." So Rashford, na say own team to us one and ninja Manchester United bima. Uncle for baby another club and asumbe day. Ebetunu no ko sia e hona na nua no betro bibi to nua Instagram ke kan sem bebre se Ferdinand mo sa ka Ferdinand bo mo ankasa ho na ko bebu so mo. You see, most of these PR things, you know, it is not helping the boy. Marcus Rashford was 26 years, only 24. Marcus Rashford only 19, only 18. The peak years of football was every 25 years. Now Peja wa do 31, 32. Now over. It is 26, and Marcus Rashford should be consistent enough in the numbers he gives the club, and he should show attitude enough when he's on the pitch. Amuko fa Chelsea video bi buy obekaya. Kwa no fa so no anti-trotte. Coventry for nankasa ebo game we na Coventry for nankasa ba bonte abeka say. The way no musuro Marcus Rashford coming into this game no nankasa ba no kra no mo hia. So
na de
me, Marcus, if people are criticizing your performance, I agree with them. Someone criticize your performance.
We need what Tamunche Maguire.
There be na Pogba do maybe me so all kind Korana. Pogba no kind Koran. Pogba no kind Koran. And no more kafa. Pogba ko yiri ti no dan tuni kakra bia. When Pogba got banned, yanyama for Manchester United supporters no money aje affiliate goes yeah asama e kind that one Pogba no dopi. All of these are when it comes to accepting criticism and abuse at some point in time. And I don't support the abuse in context, but I believe said there are some things you can say oh ma wano ya pele wo ho, but I feel for him say to the be a mission na ya, and some goes beyond football, which personally I believe say it is not right. But if you want to be a superstar, these things are normal. Fancy na dey na yan kan fa Messi ni Ronaldo.
Yeah, omo kra obi twat mi ka say Messi ni mbobo. Obi nso ti mi ka say Ronaldo ni mbobo.
When you criticism of their performance in the crowd, don't you fancy? Messi ni Ronaldo fans home, and someone will bet me a for the other one in someone becano. By the end of the day, Messi will respond to critics on the pitch. Ronaldo will respond to critics on the pitch. And Rashford this season, and Casal fancy a mere fee. The reason why supporters are angry with him, he should sit down and reflect. on himself. Meaning so nipa in Sembihano, a so. But this was a player this season after Manchester City share Manchester United or call clubbing in the night.
But I want to say, recently, me bear story crash say, ne mama ne ba bontin be defending and send a banner. Money the course behind the scenes. Yebe call last year, yebe last year. Na ne cousin ba could be or benny per free mo. And this year so that's will be I na down for pounds for free mo. And tell you na I'm an resource and they do a pitch and so. And that is as many madam so
oh yes, I agree. Sometimes some of these things
to recover that.
It won't recover that. That is a question I was about to ask. Recover that. Manchester United ne Manchester clubbing. Ade chin training crampo menye show crampo so by. Won Ten Hag issues in nkete. Emma Ten Hag be ka say wapa cho crampo amasisi anoma say institute back within the team say was obwana nyoma timikoyi. Wa publish book who focus on life HHM. People have supported you. One make sure say at least you be feeding kula Manchester United supporters are supported. Why ye nyoma woko players tribune krako ka story. There were a lot of Manchester United supporters who supported you and make sure so you feel comfortable. Seminyas have video na nkebe me de pa Shadrack. There was a certain video within this week per Manchester United woman be or hebo stadium opa when you near fee. And these are people who go to match days. They watch the match live on the pitch. They know where you came from. Mamene de ya okrek as I say Rashford will need to start picking up. Now Rashford don't beto an common ton na performance no wo fem. I feel sad for him. Abuse is never right. Players here nipa. Ebi na bi mutimi di show mo anoma koye bibi eni kwan so omo ye. But let your performance speak for you. Me you sure say so who share 30 goals, who share 10 goals, who share 15 goals your own fans who are criticizing you for your performances. Everybody bo wabaso se pejaneko. Na fancy Roberto Di Zerbi. Sad na mo ye no. Na butru. Juventus ipe coach meboa. Why no money won so person mo fa no.
Water.
Napoli pe coach na meboa. Why no mo hwe so mbefa no.
Conte mono maka.
Okay. Na Liverpool pe coach no. Na Di Zerbi ni o. Why no mo hwe so mba kofa no.
Slot.
Bayern Munich pe coach. Ene yo mo anya na Nagelsmann, o mo anya Alonso no. Why no money down so?
Na Bayern for kwasa fans no so matuka ntina.
Omo sama tuka lenta.
Omo nya ne sense video.
Omo nya na ba se pe coach ne kwampo se Xavi be ko no unze obi ka Di Zerbi ase bi obasa ho. It was between Rafael Marquez and Hansi Flick. Meboa. Ask yourself say the entina Di Zerbi adwuma a wo ne Brighton and Hove Albion na ye to me say ball no efe omo ni mbo efe. These teams ni nyina sign to go and pick. Odan ke far outside Italian teams ne kwanto chain. Normally Italians po man kasa hu nipa wo. So why is Juventus moving away? Why is Napoli moving away? Why is AC Milan moving away? Obibaka say the release clause the price no was so. But fancy I'm saying teams are ready to pay more than enough to get coaches like this. Say in case, but what matters most is a big teams. Some born na a buffet training for no quamfi, and it doesn't work in big teams or top clubs. Top clubs is all about winning. You can play beautiful football and lose like 5 games. Top clubs no do pressure on you. On the catch say free team nimko. So once you are playing beautiful football, find a way to win. Maybe Roberto Di Zerbi problem ni na want to know. Obetimi aboria semubo efe nyina about how to find a way to win. Even in the midst of going against on one kasane principles no plan ontimi. And Pep Guardiola mono. Oh no, Pep Guardiola will play beautiful football and find a way to win.
That's it. Na ye brani tia enti enye na kakrakra me beba bishop na bishop atoa so de ama minimum teleson so Kumase launch Asantema launch no ba so enra nyame ya mo chena Saturday e betoa so e wo +2 pub and kitchen o ba fa Ghana card e Bryson se be sim registration telecell cash merchant registration and afi services bia opebia no bi be koso e wo +2 pub and kitchen nyame ya adome no enso e ye otenanti hye no so emame Telecel, connecting energies. Fabanoko St. Andrews Senior High School. Ye cross to Sinin Abbey, Jim of Frano, our Form 3, Amwasa, and our Chan Wasi, and what your banner Form 1 and Form 2, so, and Abesodo banner by a Begia Cordano, Ama Onosaba Bisiante, at a chef phonina, our bre at the man Cordano, a qualified, or me a teacher for him de Adrinimudo, or more sing Cordano, Amo Biobefa, a St. Andrews Biano, and so at the resource, I come and P, your ultra modern, I had a facilities, your boarding facilities, arches, and no, I have for the Akada Biadia some fine, and a Asia na the ICT center, no, a face science lab, and so yeah, Juma, arches, school, and Yawa sinful su, Yana Rich FM, and all premises Bako, I 0244 696911 0207 891004. Bishop,
the fancy.
Now, where dear?
Nyamia dom. Bibia boka. Nyamia yerio. Ping ping ping.
Sompa Sports.
Koton wa jisika. Ping ping. Tu pieba. No aba me ho. Skano makoji aba.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, come on.
Yes, sir.
Aba no. Fancy. Liverpool could just sika kwaje and slot.
AI Pep Guardiola.
And the slot.
AI Pep Guardiola. Artificial intelligence Pep Guardiola.
And slot. Na ohwese na nyoma sikika kono. Eni adwuma ayedi na.
Mezi awaka wase yi. Bishop nkana asem.
Boss. Manemem.
Davi means
you up there.
But Davi we say trophy. We hear you trophy this ship. Tiela your coach di tina. Bishop kan asem.
That's it.
AI Pep Guardiola.
I'm quite
Enra coach no of him obo we o say obo manage Liverpool.
No, I like that.
I
like that. Like challenge. Like people who love challenges. You see, I like that. I'm say my catcher say we need a grade C. And no environment na obemu. Any structure no ma build their phone. The structure is there. And this a baby a debia no. This a Luis Banga ko to be for semesrel a Hananye football club, a commercial enterprise. In Tinuko akoyese and Antokwa say and away say omo to top player because obo piano. Na obeton Jesus ye nye biwa. Ye hanu ye do ba ha. Na chese obe ye dwuma. Na ye no say omo data scientist, Will Spearman. Any ludonatics form. Omo timi do utum. Omo run data na omo se monko Sompa ko me ha omo ko fan. Me dasi.
Slot no nya.
Ampa. Na problem ni nyina ne say omo ye ade on nchen.
Yo.
Na problem ni difference ni nyina ne say. Manchester City. Once almost around upon no mass of Sky Sports. Welcome to Sky Sports News on the hour. Manchester City are set to complete a deal for Alexis Sanchez. The former Arsenal attacker is on his way to the Etihad for a medical. Trometov. Hello. Feliciano, please. Alexis, no go. We come Manchester United. What a player.
There's a United for no mutisi actually.
Well, almost a Sky Sports 12 area 12 there no. Almost no mu say Fred ni Amugi. Ofi Shakhtar Donetsk come Manchester.
No, if any ni Amugi.
Ai Amugi. I go be adam for no. Sompa Sports. Fantastic. What funny iPhone. Obrigado. Fred come Manchester, not City is the United. Omo this kind of call. Yato. Omo need transfer plan. Omo the say obi go for obi. Some confirm agwa because Manchester City confirm. Into me say the supporting cast around the Liverpool structure no and no na eboa. So ti ase. Onya de be mo ya de. So ti ase. E hono so ya de akwa obesa. Players sa coach sa obi asa nti de wo mu no.
We chia ase akofa Dutch for the omo ba Dutch league papa ba ne go. Na Ten Hag no kwa Dutch league. Me wan so coach amokofa na ba Ten Hag en free the Dutch league man coach Minji league.
This Ten Hag na manage league no.
One free one coach Minji league.
Ten Hag na manage league na.
Who dey anymore. See, some more excuse among the system because they say more about
some passports. Onyadi or a grade C. On nebe kuchi. You would have to trust the system. Yen ye Danny Sadio Mane, world class winger. Or Southampton, no erratic, error-prone player. Salah no friend, Premier League flop. We turned him to the best winger the Premier League has ever seen. Numbers no be any be. Manchester United. Oh, what's some club crab betuno.
Joe Gomez about Liverpool.
Club betuno.
So if your system is right to turn these players, let them turn it.
Joe Gomez can't be turned because of his injuries.
So they are in
when Liverpool were at their peak, on winning the Premier League, no. Joe Gomez and Van Dijk, they were numbers are no more than Liverpool. No? That was the first time anybody thought somebody could threaten Chelsea's defensive record of 2005.
So Salah was a flop before coming back.
Good. Most of your Premier League flop or Chelsea. Yeah, there's Ram. I most of about Chelsea no your flop. You are done the best to have ever graced the Premier League.
The best.
On numbers say for numbers to table so winger ben on numbers nibi. Oh, for the two. There be a safe for numbers bro. Some passport. And they are ready to wow, numbers say Salah or winger. Okay. Now a Premier League name from Ryan Giggs. Eba. Ecosi 1992 no. Winger or Salah numbers nibi ni
how many goals?
Oh, you need friend bra.
What time Premier League ayabo you know?
Yeah, friend bra.
Salah and a top scorer.
Friend bra. Oh, fancy me say onye top scorer.
Salah and a top scorer. In Premier League ayabo nyina Salah and a top assist.
Provider. While limiting to say wing.
So in terms of wingers, Okaseni nyina Salah a top scorer in terms of goal scoring and in terms of assist.
Akumia.
Because I already know say if there's one winger that even have more assists than anybody in the Premier League, it is Ryan Giggs.
Me da sigina hey, catch a pause. Ene ye be boa with contest ye be so aso ne. Osatibo Premier League ni ye ben.
Any class of 92 for
me da say. About how many matches no one assist. Ene ye be some kon ankasa. Ye be some kon.
The number of matches.
Me say ye be some kon.
Oh, good.
Ye be some kon.
That will be very calm here.
Ye be some kon. Debi amo ya na yesre mo kwekwe na yesre mo. Me say senye se o African no ye Egyptian. What I say? Fancy. Nka enye some boy Michael Owen ne Robbie Fowler mudino. In the modern era.
Changoye
in Russia is better.
Oye English.
O masa wasemwa. Salah de oye ma Liverpool numbers no de amo no. Torres, Suarez, Owen. Right. Or they will be out in the proper place. He's actually even gunning for the highest scoring player from the Premier League in the Akumia or Pateri and who any acquires Champions League is the highest scoring Massa or your foreign antia. And the Beckham was a chain. Jonathan David.
Give us the numbers.
I provide for you. Yeah, the numbers the friend
Thank you very much.
It's not no or a grade C. But he has a structure around him.
Okay.
The best answer was so. Near catch him beam. Say omo lefty wing play. Premier League no omo de ko baby a Ryan Giggs answer ho da so bit my be fancy so here system na say output per season the highest standard in the Premier League until sankofo ne ba nan say no na Robert Pires in a single season a winger's output na Robert Pires but yet to see from no Sterling did same. We are not moving at him. Check his season at Manchester City. His highest scoring season. My head numbers are the more from wing. Mane, Son. Omunaya top scorers in the Premier League from wing positions. Rangers not top scoring chart to Premier League in per season that way. The sound crown iron and saying it is the standard in a single season. Near Son. Mane, Salah, Moniomayo, Premier League, Sterling. In recent times, you know, with Marcus Rashford so come. Rangix never got near them. The Sabo is not, you know. Rangix so they saw challenging top scorers in the season that. You know, to even better appreciate them. Look, maybe this is some passports. Thierry Henry. For all we say about Thierry Henry, he was a wing forward. Unless you don't understand how he evolved. A bro free Taliban. But already dear, on you no manayo. He's a wing forward income and score. On no your headmaster. Akumia, sanko fu ne. Oh, me the man na dey. Me the man. Oh, Akumia jai. Akumia jai.
Some of these tangents that
let me add
league on G go kinda on G way that wa ben ho da. It's like telling me say we Rooney. Bobo ni we are seeing now with England any the level of quality we Rooney the mind then the numbers are we Rooney the mind because Rooney Angie go kin enunti obetimi aka say because some money nkophobia ba animu ya go kin they are better than we Rooney.
No, see Akumia.
No.
Let's get it straight.
No.
Take Rooney out.
Why should I take him out?
We've known
a player.
No, we've known him.
Is he not a center forward?
He is.
That is it.
You see, when doesn't come in there.
Also ringers.
I'm telling you, a nostalgia.
There's nothing like
nostalgia. Oh, it is. Oba Ryan Giggs there. Calm down. No, Oba Ryan Giggs there. He's a legendary footballer. Boy, these boys are operating at the Cristiano Ronaldo level.
Hey, Bishop.
Yes.
Oh, come on.
Numbers.
Yes, they are operating there. Well,
what limited to numbers, say there goals, assists, and
Cristiano Ronaldo until he started doing the magic. No, my friend, one trick pony, a wasteful winger. When he blossomed 06, 07, 07, 08, 08, 09, bruh, that is the tangent or more pretty. That's why it is Salah that broke his record. Not even Luis Suarez could break it. Not Van Persie. What I say. But Cristiano Ronaldo pay near what Real Madrid never back home.
It's not a deal.
No, I would say we limit Ronaldo to his impact in the Premier League at Manchester United. Boys win am.
Key note of this.
You get the point.
His impact.
What I say
in the Premier League.
What I say.
I want
it
that
is
particular
very important.
Fatwo.
See,
we'll come back to
when
that.
they talk about success. When you're careful, you look down on somebody like Sunderland for the top scorer. I've forgotten his name.
Okay.
Sunderland for no more number 9. Obesho says here, Medina Alpha Menisu Kakra, no na Queen, and the Ebomom. Prolific Obeji go kin nibi cry on the league. Because of Sunderland. But on numbers. Umbekai wa ubetibi antino ema nostalgia. Oh, Michael Owen near Boni D Ballon d'Or winner. Nana Salah is better than him even though he is not number 9. Fernando Torres Ballon d'Or otosu 2 se 3 na Boni D na Oyamashu. No, Salah is better than him. Number 9 offensive players and then he had the job. For the period he's been there, nobody. Not bent. No, Sunderland for no number 9. Number 9. Or Jigoki.
Me power.
Omo 40 goals was 30 and 40. Omo 30 something the Jigoki. No, the one will be abu. I mean, not text me. So if you're not careful, come here for when you so. Oh, they are better so chna and they are TNE. Muni na mompe. Look, Sunderland no more. No, oh, the Kevin saying. Kevin Phillips.
I have a very big interest in this conversation.
No, I'm open to it.
The key word of impact with Cristiano Ronaldo. Meaning how you want to judge the level of impact, especially when what's at Manchester United.
He's the ultimate.
What did I measure? He's the pinnacle.
He's the ultimate. Waji Ballon d'Or from such a position.
That is it. You might have another issue with Cristiano Ronaldo in that particular season, but winning the Ballon d'Or alone, playing from England, should tell you so differ a lot of odds.
Good.
Which none of the players now, Bobo Dini, when they are Bobo Dino, be a bit Mababe. Now, what the tone change, the numbers you are speaking, so the numbers attached, or the numbers attached. Yes, I agree. Obeka say nostalgia, any of those things said, your man. Yeah. Have you seen better attacking midfielders in the Premier League than Bruno Fernandes? Yemfa goals. Yemfa assist.
Baby,
it is like
Lampard never be tried, you know.
Lampard ever there was a certain record that you could tell Lampard. Fancy Ubekaya.
No.
A midfielder to have been involved in most goals and assists. Lampard. Bruno Fernandes will break his particular record. But all the Mummy and But you look at Lampard per the level and the impact he had with those goals
Lampard
for the club.
Lampard
Is so goals in this annual man. Not the G League.
Medasi
Not the G trophies.
Good. Thank you very much.
First, what did they mention?
Medasi.
Ryan Giggs goals are not there. No, when number of league titles for the Manchester United G.
Mira, pause me. Forget about the fact that he didn't win the Champions League for them. How do I overlook Henry? Because he didn't win the Champions League. Sadio Mane Moya there saying
for Arsenal.
How do I do that? You get the point? Boy na ebo ni dino. League. Kevin Phillips. But all born League. But that cannot erase his legacy. The difference between Bruno Fernandes and Lampard is consistency. There is a reason why Lampard and the highest all-time scorer in Chelsea. He was consistent. And now one season wonder. These boys have defined an era. They defined an era. Into the home me the master move simpacho. Jeff Marco Giska. Tell say Magana for Unity. Now okay kwase wa. Sika no nsem ne bae no. Ati for baby amobi amboae. Na nkomo no nyede. Aramco and FIFA partnership. Global. Aramco becomes major worldwide. Aramco becomes major worldwide partner of FIFA with rights across multiple events, including FIFA World Cup 26 and FIFA Women's World Cup 27. Agreement builds on a shared commitment to innovation, development, and creating impactful social initiatives in line with FIFA's mission to make football truly global. Partnership is to run through to end of 2027. Aramco, one of the world's leading integrated energy and chemical companies, has signed a 4-year global partnership with FIFA. The company becomes FIFA's major worldwide partner, exclusive in the energy category, FIFA oil, with sponsorship rights for multiple events, including the highly anticipated FIFA World Cup 26 and FIFA Women's World Cup 27. Fancy me the master musi wadarma. Udi Kebisa said FIFA Women's World Cup 27 no me born way. 26 World Cup no so ye be born. American foreign policy defines their interest into a more Secretary of State. Your friend Anthony Blinken. They don't have permanent friends, but they have a permanent interest. They are major ally in the Middle East, in terms of resources. Saudi Arabia. World Cup, no, US.
Maybe on here, no. FIFA mission is to make football a global, a top global, truly global. Yes.
World Cup, yeah.
BB, I know I said FIFA 12. It is a part of categorizing sponsorship packages. What is it? Those be a official bank for FIFA. Energy. FIFA fly. What is it? We become Aramco energy partner. What am I say? Say be our logistics, our logistics company, our logistics partner. And there's nothing wrong with it. I see the revenue base of FIFA. And if I do by the commercial categories, almost sponsors, almost partners. Yes. So there's a commercial strategy to make sure, say, make a lot of companies, you create those avenues to make companies, a lot of them coming. So, and FIFA, if I do by the game has become more global. And the associations, 1 year cry $2 million a year. And say, Sikano echo back to football development at the grassroots level. What do I say? Women football in Canada. So he needs this partnership to make sure say they expand the game, invest in the game, provide logistics infrastructure. But say we man be ma, untimi nyesa. What do I say? And Sebiu, welcome na Saudi Arabia nya no. Say who say somebody we edasi. What do I say? Aha. The truth of them politics no niwe na say asida and very important
asida for mo nkoda si o na o ma bonsa
enu nti na World Cup enu nti na o make sure say ye Africa free mu ye Africa free mu Europe free mu what do you say what happened in South America Africa Europe on 2030 World Cup no. So they are no more going to compete for that particular World Cup hosting right again and of the Saudi Arabia 2034 and as part of the financial engineering what do you say any partnership agreement between FIFA and Saudi Arabia say on the expanding game no truly global no say NOC na asida somba a part of there's nothing wrong with it as a part of football machinations what am I gonna say anti where they attack Muntiasia and Saudi Arabia will forever remain a very top country when it comes to football development now say oh here and then Saudi Arabia nioma year to Cristiano Ronaldo ama football in Asia and then obia cry toss like the coders to make sure they go and watch the game and can go be bro the Asian football crowd mo this almost team news obia not share news flash but today focus has gone there because of what Saudi Arabia has done and Saudi Arabia are expanding bigger and then Saudi Arabia na boxes in Iska every major bout has to go to Saudi Arabia. And you need investment in the sport to keep the sport alive and make other young ones interest in sport. So there, so Saudi Arabia, Juma we and the LIV golf. Mama PGA 4 soon. Tagaus Ankoji 750 million Ankoji. Fumukisi Koji 300 million and Yaji. And now the best golfers are moving to the LIV golf. What do you say? So in general, Saudi Arabia had the investment about sport globally. We need to encourage them to keep doing that because sport globally here, huge capital investment injection to make sure the sport be attractive. What am I gonna say? And see, another kudos feathers in the cap of Saudi Arabia for this huge and monumental investment in FIFA. So they say, and Saudi Arabia will continue to do that. Then Macau send me anything Saudi Arabia is doing, I support it because investment no bad sports now. Yeah, no nyamfa so more involved. So they say, and nyamfa they almost spreading globally. African players almost Saudi Arabia. Ebobo, Real Mahrez, he want to free go city. Saudi man free nearby. So I'm saying that at the end of the families of Africa players almost families they bush for bri nyamfa so. Who they say? So let's give it to them. Atawo bibi kana.
Number 2. University Teaching Hospital confirms that Rainford Kalaba is stable and he has been discharged.
Yeah.
Football Association of Zambia and so Akebi Adam Madena Kafang.
Kalaba. There no. I'm just a
cast who no. Come old private cast will be a war. Me and a bomb will be wow.
Mamma was a Busian edition of common and Cassie edition of free. We are doctor.
No, yeah. Only what I mean, yeah. The only for me, something that struck me was Moise Katumbi. Look, I listened to other people and people in general. Moise Katumbi, Timmy fly plane, Ecostra Calabar. Because of number of years of a decade of Bob to Mazembe. Incredible. Moise Katumbi near Nipa Bikeko. But so no or Ecostra no. For me, that is incredible. To come from a billionaire like Moise Katumbi. Say, Ubo TP Mazembia. Say, be unkwa here, the owner. That is a signal you're saying, Ubo TP Mazembia. I'm there, I'll be there for you all the time. A club, I'll be boy, say, be a same tour, a winning champion 2015, Confederation Cup 2016, 2017 for him. So, and now he's asked him to become a coach. So Mihai Kazembe, coach. What is one of the policy of team to make sure say, oh, we a player what bubble ache was sumi here. Obema coaching cause on one a coach. These are the clubs that you need to play for. You have the opportunity because the structures are working. Team Rano on him. We are the papa Sebiu. Then so and I'll go the extra mile. And yet teams you're more gonna have player Prakana and Sujanema that they are misconducting themselves and speaking as if they are taking some cannabis. What am I gonna say? Yes. A irresponsible conduct for somebody to do to play a pra. Now you become petty and trivial. And Aquano Wuno and for what do I say? That what Moise has done is something that club owner leaders institutions almost and frame. Okay. Ma nipa no ye juma no kuni huma because on him say asem to no kra you'll be there for him.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Apostle Medase Power. Ti young na fe yanko a quick commercial break and so emrasi yankomra yaba na yaba beto so yaba.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraid I'm in the call. Then cut our cranny.
Hey, any me connection man for den go for secret when you tell the musano.
Oh, Express Group adornment. According to IF4, up so to Quancosiandia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Swa. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. More person to Quancoye Jumansu, or bits Midowako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Kwairo Kumasi, Asafo Labor runabout Hwa, Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashibi Girl Filling Station. Promo Ahomacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Ejadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu anum bi wo pemfo ane oba wo ma akora nufo enso anum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoi atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ni Ashford
na ni Ashford there that's so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ni Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku bi Ashford Princess and now bra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wo die na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow do me ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
Brother, and that's okay.
What time have you seen about Queen Wayne? Say,
Bra, said your time about Mr. Essia Jimmy fearful, and Yadia back ever so.
Really, do this offering now.
Bra, so because me the time about Mr. Huadancia, we are seeing now about Temenka. It is some malaria, where do any time about Mr.
I know go, dear, and what to want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink, and your mark or bar waffle through, dear woman for down for any aquada when you fear do you and some of the time about Mr. Draven. She said, walk a hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers, and the herbal shop to Tuanamu. FDA Aji a judging Kratoi at all.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm not for now.
In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Passion Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway. enipa ba ko pɛ ɛna pam ade ɛhyɛ wo a obi ahyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obi mu ɔno ne bafo polo no wa fia nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yɛ adwuma enti so ɔdwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhome bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ bia enti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques enti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma churches fan clubs schools unions ɛne ɛkuro biaa muhia dodoɔ no ɛde ma mo members no ɛne mo students no mo mmra mo nso a mopɛ Friday wear ɛde ama mo workers bafo polo ɛtwɛn mo ɔwɔ gold package ɛno ntade no ɛhyɛ mu aduo mu silver package ɛhyɛ mu dunum ɛna bronze ɛnso hyɛ mu du ɔyɛ delivery ɛkɔ ɔma mu apa na baabia bafo polo ntade no nso yɛhyɛ kɔ baabia na wɔpam mama ɛne mmarima nyinaa bafo polo ɛwɔ Kumasi ahenema kɔkɔbɛn sankase mabuase kwan ne so telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and so you're at Bafo Polo. Me say, so we say Bafo Polo dia. Oh, and you now in session.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no more. Ever St. Andrews SHS, oh yeah, dinner ever pass. Send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yati. St. Andrews, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Harry Chanabati, pick up from say, what it jumbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piero or Ghana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
You listening to me on the radio. I know exactly what you need, and I go sort you out. But first, a quick introduction. Maybe the connection man. I'll make things happen. Whether it be business, fashion, or the latest trend in town, I go connect you. I know when people connect, big things they happen. I am the plug to your plug. Anything you want, I go show you where options they line them up for you. You want download or you want stream? Link up. I got you. I conquer everywhere. From circles to Kijitia. If you come out to Navrum, you also to Kita. Techima to Kumbungu. I'll be the link between you and the next big opportunity. It be me where I go connect you, make it happen. Oh, you want to know my name? I am Telecel.
Switch to Telecel for the best value voice and data services and connect to the things that matter. Connecting dreams, connecting goals, connecting passions.
Telecel, connecting energies.
Okay, yes, yemra na yem referee na virus emfa local news na emre na time about center for enro no e wodwa so mesro ya no bi ye kan say no emu nuangu wasum no chena bi ma yade enka won to zan say ana yare ba kwa common pound so malaria so test na ba say e positive enkwari at time heba meshe no ene beboa ama sa yade no watu ase e de afri oni padwane mu wonu ato aduane nyo da ho na mre abana say general your bodily pains and how our journal at your time about mixture afei your time HH about mixture and in the capsules obetimianum HH about mixture no obenso obetimianum HH capsules ni nyina na ya adwuma baako enti oyo ba tobi oyo bema so atobi eboawo ema wase ebenya meboam wase enso ewo wensen eboawo ema bema nso na ya na efuru memu ba no ejai na afei ama hodema panso aba mema yom na afei ama general well-being and so aye kama aye 0244 417 669 na just a time womunu panon so waje wodie na ode ede ojuma se wo pa kokonam ana ato Boris B chicken na Boris B say men kan chop say ya beje na kokoni bi sansa kokonam no aye halal ye nuanum twamufo ya na brebia no wo mo yema nuoma so aye simple ntimo mo ton wache mo ton fast food say be a fried rice no ene jollof rice mo pretty restaurant afei mo run aye choba ne aye nuane ahodo aka no se wo pa kokonam ana to their Boris B my food chicken thigh chicken wings wopɛ gizzard and a part bia ne bia to a wɔbɛkɔ Boris B ɛwɔ Poku Trading wadum Shell ɛwɔ Body Junction afei SG mo ɛwɔ Top Buy Tech asewase ɛwɔ hɔ ana Santas one about nso no yɛne Unity Oil edi ɛnhwɛ na afei Bantama High Street yɛbɛn Presby asɔre ne yɛne ne di ɛnhwɛ ɛyɛ 0544444453 and Leicester Ghana Limited at the Yas toothpaste and the Yas toothbrush and the Yas toothbrush your Yas total care your Yas whitening your Yas banning a toothpaste arches and abedjaso yes our toothbrush so benya monarch cafe your duke our prince your duchess our princess arches and the chew say and kwanani de wom arches a brush no one nika kama dia no den kakra dia kwakwa no arches a toothpaste no bia be yusu bia a brow amonum eda ho amonum eyehwam eyi sa kokone ni nyina no efu si achi e ma arches ododom e cleansi ho e ma arches rewra wo sentama yi leftovers no e ma brebia no wo fotrotra wo mfere wo fa kisisa wo okay sans wonum ehwam Yas toothpaste and the Yas toothbrush a dum pizet kaya around about 0501 390337 0501 390338 na waje odie na virus say bibia fine there
bibia fine fancy komia ha bibia fine komia ha the youngest
na komia ta frey bi osanka do pe mam na so menya beta frey yes ya de besi
indeed the youngest you
ta frimski
woni ko papa yodin
fans there na Ghana Premier League next start match 28 na game back we bass no Legon cities and so any team wa your friend no Sompa sports like mama we no na mintimi hu de we no and so si gwan Legon cities ne breakum Chelsea ne boy a theater of dreams daw 3 p.m. and a game no and so a team bass wide hon 7 no at the air to anim e wodwumade no so na ye ka e Premier League asem ye fi ho na ye nim common from Dreamz FA because omo na omo nam ho apaso a ye di hu komo saa nso e wodwumade no na amafo di hu komo Indiana Legon City's able match no coach Park kwasi Fabian si dabi wom Legon City's able match the nenso so din komo kakra e the fa Dreamz FA won tienko nyentie nsamo a coach Park kwasi Fabian e kan e the fa Dreamz FA ahead of Nizamali game.
Congratulate Dreamz FC for a wonderful job, especially my senior, I call him my senior Karim Zito, for a wonderful job that he has done with Dreamz FC in Africa. We are rooting that they'll be able to clinch the trophy, so that at least we will get the first loss back into.
And then some of the two first slot in the medical di hunko one that but mugu mo ka hon sem sa nti ye hwe de we anoma no enso si ko na we ni ko akoso no ene ewuram ne asianko ne ene eye former technical director the Ghana Football Association urefa no ti akentani komo na emusa no sere no ma enso si ko na wadi komo enso de akere fans o mokuma se nyampa da kwese da 4 p.m. fo ni kire mo baba ya Rashford no bra be support Dreamz FC.
Yes, iti ni yajina ko Zamalek na kaza no o mo record kuma se no so ke dia enye all that he say o ma ho de no be ye but football anything can happen, so yanko stadium ma de mo ye didi stadium no o support nyago kra yesu ye chire se ampai diti uyechi yamwa
ano ane nsamo a coach Otia Kenten so etimi editu jana osadi nkomo biem edefa Dreamz FC players no ho nti yentie nsamo a coach Otia Kenten ne ka edefa Dreamz FC omo players no
yes enti go ayi e ho beti na chire ndino
Ndiano ne nsamo a coach Otia Kenten editu jana o two Dreamz FC players no ne coach Karim Zito na o catch fans say yenkonko she baba ya Rashford do ma na nyoma enso entimi enkoyi na coaches ni din komo kan semi brede fa Zamalek ni Dreamz FC game ne wona frem po manso esidabi ono so be din komo e dey for Dreamz FC and Zamalek game no.
Well, I'm say I take you by surprise. So before the competition started, so because I said Dreamz, it beat me to semi-final. I don't think so. Even Omuna and Casablanca may this on beat me. But here they are, I think they've done so well. The entire technical team, they've done well, and then the players also they've also done well. So for me, I think for now the only thing I beat me is we'll pray for them and then hope this Saturday league, the second league, to me help winning. But at the same time, they should be very
coach Frempong Manson, Babiani Go Stars head coach, and so Edin Komo, and for Dreamz FC game one, Omene Zamalek Bible, who not Joe Archery, a former player, the Mas Zamalek, because or catch Dreamz FC was there. Ono wa bottom neda e kosa yen kobo away games net tricks a Zamalek for ne ya omutimi ye tricks bebre ntie ne o wa semika e che Dreamz FC jo otin simo ka e che Dreamz FC Zamalek neda ntie ba tricks o mo ye wo o mo games o kobo no outside mo woni mti ode no hu sem na no etimi e dia tudo na be che United for the crata ababonten omo krata nyane so omo wehye Dreamz FC well enso etimo ho nti seminya eye omo release na nnom dia ba na msi good will message to Dreamz FC as you prepare to take the field for the crucial semi-final second leg of the CAF Conventions Cup. We want you to know that our hearts and spirits are with you every step of the way. This journey has been a testament to your unwavering dedication, resilience, and passion for a beautiful game. From the first whistle of the competition to the pivotal moment, you have faced every challenge with courage and determination. Through the highs and lows, you have remained united as a team, showing the world the true meaning of still believe. No matter the result, know that you have already made everyone proud. Your journey is an inspiration to us all, and win or lose, we will stand by you, shoulder to shoulder, cheering you on every step of the way. This is your moment, your chance to write history, and we believe in you more than ever. With unwavering support and sporting regards, signed between United for and so to the Krata Babontia or Cassans and some in some way, and I report to Chelsea Sports Ministry, no so and yes, or special package be obey no the Dreamz for no na bibia enso timi akonkan na special package be was be 36,000 no and na amafo so edi san ko nje say Mustafa Yusuf enso surprise package be or the Dreamz FC team na head of Omene Zamalek game na enso betimi abaso ho no nsem kakra eno so free ho by the to ahwefo ene yatie fo anim yanto aso na yanin komo enso House of Folk akachi na House of Folk player your friend Salif Ibrahim report in say media mafo ani abre so munya branch no nbeba ana obesi akan enso atimi e di amom eno be to general report amen say kan kire say El American so atima kire official proposal e di abre Salif Ibrahim o matimi da abre House of Folk for no nyan responding message na say ye proposal munya respond here abrant enso no or your focus or what has the folk in print nti nyadia obetima yi na dwen afiri so o hwe se bibia betima ko na fe season end dia aka bia no watimi enso e dia tom panimfo anim tia no ne nsem kakra nso free Salif aso ye ba ye de to ahwefo ene yatiefo anim na urom enso e won nsem fufuro mu a Kumasi asande kotoko enso betu kwan ye ne awuram e wotakwa omo ko na fe omo ne medema game no omo tima kwa akore se betimi abaso omo nam kwan so kra Ibrahim no kasa yi omo enso ewuram wotakwa ama bibia enso atima ko omo yo omo final training wo ha bibia to deeper ya da matima fe no Kumasi asande kotoko spirit no high because report on chese match no mu wini a ni ma betima to deeper da my boys into omo ko no gidi se aha omo ko ebi da the last 2 visit na no omo ka ko din kunim to enso e betimi din kunim de e de abro omo no ne nsem kakra free ho ba yare tu ahwefo ene atifo ni mame wie wo GFA akachi na afa yewie emfa mfiro we no nkenya de anke celebrity nanso yesi etimi ka ho ansam yesi sei omde eye light aba ewo eye Ghana ma ho ai so metima ye training anwumre ti so omde aba abontin ti light no nkane no na ewo eye pram ndi se kwa obetima ye training anwumre ma players bibia enso etimi akoso yie fancy me ko na nansemu ne yehu se under 15 under 16 under hwan ya appointed coaches but list be a na sa gather there to many more head say coaches e ko be to me Ghana for mu na e do moka yentu aye coaches ne mako se sia de wo mani ma you see make ma kan say nipa 22
national team
ya do moka Kuku Dazi, Evans Adote, J. Sapon, Frimpon Manson, Benfoku, Ubenya Danousu, David Duncan, Didi Dramani, Moro Adamu, Ubenya Pakwesi, Ubenya Bashiru Hayford, Hamza Mohammed, Mercy Tegu, Ibrahim Tanko, you see Bazigi, Prosper Netuogum, Ano Walker, Nanada Aqua, Maso Kunadu, Kobi Mensa, Omuni na Yeduomoka, and yes, I appointed for the Gum. So when you better near Duomoka, I brought from the air near Duomoka. By any unknown no more on the way you are, you inform Sigamom, do you know? There are some Cassia and so you want the fancy.
Mate Vase, I say, well, now our Kulun Ghana Limited phone drono, Pebineton, and Mema Modarubo and a Mebon, so a Bema, where drono a dread furniture, you chun capsules and a bebow now won't so wet me and young what demapa, Sawa Johnson, Basaba, Sawa Johnson, so I will tell you, and what you were so ball prostate and so by our drono. Aye chun capsules nemom se wonya Mr. Q ni bi so to a ebeboa opaisan no de e ma mema yo e wompem eye kama osisi mu yo ya no ebekọ ama low libido ase nso betu wo ye bema wo slow erection and I say premature ejaculation and how a dread fan say aye Mr. Q and ebeboa arababa zen tablet aye medro tatashe se wo your bana wo menstrual pains and I say menstrual disorders o your ba won sem aye den ama wo ba woni atinka e wompem adroi I friends Araba Basin tablet and Ababwa pa. I 0244 275429 0206 271016 Bafu Polo entered in African print or the Pama Bema or the Pama Baba Biabaso Kubiano which Michelle Bafu Polo attard echo a bean a shami arches or round neck our golf shirt or polo shirt as our v-neck our do program BRC arches or qua with Damusun Kokra I Bafu Polo American print and we're using entered and so no I will see yes ya the tiane tier Nikon and chain and Empa arches say aye kama pa ahenema kokoben of Santase Kwine so 0249 600 789 0599 899 uplesi ordanena won sabeka watare otena 3p garlic mixture nso enie bomorian so bepebi enso atwesa 3p garlic mixture ema high blood pressure eko ema menstrual pains asietu ema asthma na eko waye kese abroso obesity anase bia wo bi a stroke how so na se titiriti anase wono wodi na aye stress wo fu aye bloated wo sugar level cholesterol anase obese immune system enso enya ho 3p garlic mixture eno enso ene bedi wakaginamu 0248 928824 0201 000021 meza
yes fancy mama say many has be adwin our national team
Sompa Sports
Kenya problem but give them enough reasons and motivation to be able to handle the work and consistently no betime prove our results are we here. What did they mention as a fancy? And there was a more concentration, no alcohol, no be at the cabia and pay the person. And my mom's canning some big one man and some bear chin. Now, you need shake to fix dinko, one is the wine a bit of Mocano. Crown one gas a cranaze or said them, but it's high time they pay this particular coach. So my into Moca Cromotif club, Baby, nobody is having a problem against the international team. I would be
only they are buying it here.
Of our ministry, I'm going to take care of every level of coaching. It should be good. Because one thing I know for sure is Black Queens, Black Stars, Starlets, need those things in the day. Ministry and this cabano because a national team, a national asset. What did I mention as a national asset? But the moment I'll be expanding and I'll be 16, 15, 16, 14 is annual money in Ano. Roadmap Ben Martinasi Amosu and I say, Deba then Amosu Martinasi Adrian Wakwe say we can provide to pay for these particular coaches and the government will pay us later. And I say be government ya for coaches because the president Ghana football ye day e develop you so kuta ye dey ma airborne your money.
There's offer coach no dey na obey quest to say obey gift to
that is it.
Minka say bribe me say gift.
Yes.
Gift play about coach area me to watch bro.
Half donations count. To gift and donations. To coach no ho no na be say na. Ama on say coach no nipa watena pram obi ba oh ne Bible game pa oh coach jiwe fato nsu oh coach wadaroma afa fato fuo on kan che ne se bibio ba coach na trans no biem na dollar ne fa na ni so be tra na fa
to nsu ni amount
$2,000 ade chen ya player ne buy wo mu hihye coach or tam coach ni be o say I need to speak to you for a minute no afa wagina nche. How is your dad? First question no or chichi woman in the area no catch you say no shall say too for I like you what the born to I want say beboa and na see na won say baby e keka no na say etene the bar. So these are things we need to start paying them to avoid any sort of temptation be a bit me abo so the game is still coming on. Fancy Di Maria and then Mr. Prempe College one of them about 3 p.m.
Me uncle support Dreamz.
Dreamz FC for no me say central for open so moko nyina na you know. Who register ya offer bus ni bia to take you to Prempe College. No akwa enjoy training on your open media day session with Dreamz FC. And I think Zamalek could be the next day at Paju. Na eno so ma ye day at Twaso. But the game is getting closer and still the euphoria is down. Fancy the euphoria is down. Yeah.
Send why my to omofo. Sankene or someone radio station like Moko station.
We are not seeing flags
because obedient me promote game ye and mamo dan one kasa. At least and you say the Alba Bay interview say be Zamalek cannot but more call for support. Yeah. And be our the players back when be Aziz money those guys.
I'm only hoping maybe I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt and we are praying for them to qualify. Yeah. But this mistake shouldn't happen if they should qualify for the final. Fancy. This mistake shouldn't happen. Kabebia, you see, I'm praying pass and me bomb pie pass or won't qualify. Because qualify now, fancy. Billboard say Okruma say no to be GB the way bosso. Baby also a flag ball. Let something show say BBC. There's something that is coming on in the country. Environment now will find themselves from the BBC. It is also be and me this particular weekend na me share o ma catch almost say there be I mean mo qualify there. These are the things you people need to be doing as soon as possible. But I'm happy for them. Say preparations are still underway and they are confident enough. Say at the end. But Premier League games need to be beat me across. Once they say Premier League ne baso na me aduma any Saturday na yenya daje timi abo the game against because Caligon Cities ne be Dreamz FC but I'm sure say that game will come on. The Ubenya Saturday Ubenya has to Fuka Lions Nations FC. So I think that most of the games will be played on Saturday to make sure say at least obi abet me enya daje FAC and also measure say mediama Dreamz FC ever qualify to the next round. Think that this sounds good. Until we find the support Embeta Omachi Nyame Aduma on Sunday. We are still pleading with the masses. Say team fear making sure say you get yourself a chance to go and watch a CAF Confederations Cup semi-final. Maybe at the last time maybe back Kruma saying na only opportunity in be there. But this time around make it an opportunity to be there and make sure so be there. Because I'm for related like Kinsey under 16 team, you know, so almost style of playing your money on my call. Come off as more bono. Maybe one way or the other, you might think that the DNA might be working. But the progress of the under 16 any come fast move to different stages of the national team. This what I may headache. Fancy. You intimidate national team from under 14 and 15 and 16. Now at least unya be 5 players are FIBA and I say be Sompa Sports to the next level. What am I say? Especially per every single position I bro Kruma say pa means what's the area the senior national team the goalkeeper yeah bre 2-3 yeah bre ana number 9 yeah bre pa
amu national team be amu bre infana bre
fancy also for center back options there bre wo baby you bu ya ni gusu be na yam pick the right ones odu ani bu midfield kware assist and 8 fancy be bre kwa number 10 for be bre kwa 7 and 11 your Osman your Joseph Peso just a wingers no your bobo ba bebre Osman munina ba Ibrahim Osman munina ba be shishim. We have a lot of wingers but be a big problem you 2 and 3 you goalkeeper ni enhwe Nyame Adoma the striking role. If the various levels of national team should be able to provide us these particular positions Fazi I say how many true football so
I say there you World Cup qualifiers no kwara mention when Mali bebo
oh Fancy forget it
say you be sure man
oh Mali for Benwai Mali for Benwai
wo Express Group meba Bishop or Express Group mo be se mutu kwa brochi baby Canada no ma fee wo be so call UK Australia na se New Zealand wo be so room e Germany eco school scholarship o ye nurse ni wo be so call to aso o ye doctor wo be so to aso mo ko no ma beton afi mo nso a mo be se mo ko holidays Express Group ticketing and a visa wo jene simple amount and afi tour ni holidays ni nyina no be boa amawo so what me akobi kumase a asafo labor run about on sabe can cry can she first light and afi udru takradia market circle wana on sabe kano sunyane so silver house building ni mo eben court no Express Group and number is 0249 000448 0555 550067 21st clinic ebesawo yare ene kwana kwaje wa yaresa doctors and nurses ne twen se brana ya mo asere bia benya mfa hodie na mum se sciatic nerves no e ka no ho na wote ya e wo mo sciatic nerves no ye expert in sciatica into 21st clinic dey odru ha machines e wo abefo dia ultra modern laboratory nature scan services ni nyina no ye rani bi e wo o ban se wo ho to e prekope kumase a ye sha overseas junction ye be alpha radio oboase e court junction ye council quarters afe and crime domi market sunyane ye wo ho ye won kranza our tachiman 0540 311 311 0249 311 311 Bishop
Ansi Enra Nigeria Kurunum Africa Sports and Tourism Awards ekoso.
Okay.
Nigeria na kese ho nsem eko kama na yedi bibia kogu ye no na kese Ghana Sports Minister Member of Parliament for Yagaba Kubori Mustafa Yusuf ono ene ye Sports Minister of the Year Nigeria ho African Sports and Tourism Awards Mustafa Yusuf
okay
akohubi trofo no se me dance ni wa broche Honorable Mustafa Yusuf, Sports Minister of the Year Award. We were Nigeria.
As a divu be any when you crew.
Now, Miss Arhe, I didn't so much as Ohima, Lagos State Governor, Sanu, on their own. Just what say, I didn't want to. Now, I don't blame them. They watch the African Games.
Okay.
They watch the African Games. And Abuja 2007
Sompa Sports.
Me sure them say wait but na me to say Abuja Nigeria. Amaya I don't know wampa. Congratulations to him. And aka no. Obi enu obofo bi enu
munyamu no kro.
Pinti e beto aso congratulations Mustafa Yusuf. Beto aso na ye onwuma no. Enoch Ejai ene Kwame Ban Mensa. Regional Director for NSA. Operations and Administrative Manager Dreamz Omeshia editing Koma Omunina Jidi said the communication wasn't good enough and the man Minu Shadu Jinan China to na NSA for so to and Mantemi Wasibi and nearby ya a cofa went you went in by Nemum Ninian came for who be here say Ombenum Benkrum Ombeko Benkrum na Omajatum say Ebeko you and Kuyu Omunina Nijonso into Rima. Video na was screen so na say anamontu e koswa ye NCC o park no fancy
so baba pitch ni
rula no mo bi o rula na ohun wo ho na nam park no so no omko han
NSC ni bi
omu ni bi
like aban ni bi
o wasem wa mira omu ni bi omko han me say obi akoka o de okoka na say obi nti ase o say atapoku tisumpo say mu ni bi we mko han
anti e faso na ma emwa yi sele be a zamale
be ya be dia am na amna bia no eso be level ye hu ambo ye hu aniwu
Ghana
nti o se e kam obi atibie ni bi fertilizer na contem tu be hu brown park ne so sa o de for ni fe be green no kra hu brown ni bi cause fertilizer na no be bodi wa chese ensem ngrai ne mum ni hia ne se Penufo ye de omubetumi se ne be betumi use park no ene date ye saying 26 April ma remfi say June ye call malia ye be san aba na say inspection bi be cost na say nya ujudi se ma wabobo no ha sebi o refund sa no ahwe o de Come from near Kamadan Pai. Yes, sir. Be anyone the Chiapaya on one nepam that in the Chiapine, no one nepam. Stadium ne bleeding. Fancy how do you brown ye? Kwane, Rio Maguso, and Chine, Preco Hunsu, and Bob Akuna Ebono, who be a debut of Parkness.
As we in Marble draw.
We are as a grass in it. Namina me. Bokako Bono machine say brown. Okay. Yes, some dear
concussion. A dose
do near the Abana, a Baba anima. Fancy. John Pencil, then I stungo Kayano, and then Menyon. Miss me bring ye. Miss Odem Bako John. And some now UTV phone program so kafa a demonstration no. Then yen sem fata. Ni Mr. Okasasa John Pencil. Imprimpro and ya. Ababa Black Stars assistant coach no. John, some now kind so go na we hu na no ye. E no ma ensem bia na ni so kan nyina ye condemn no o kafa ho. Na me de make sense wani pin ene dua osfia. Kwasi apia mo kai say ni salary bia no mo de man wo Chroma as Black Stars coach no. Na your component or chairman local players and local coaches. Some make
kwasi na afro no
bottom. Arrangement o call ye no no. Oye Black Stars coach no. No wo sika ni bia oche edema coaches and ex players no obia kan say atase se be nyese me di tu ho e ade na Chroma wo fans unim ne ye no enu ntina me call demonstration na so me gina ho kai jumping to me kan ma obi ate wa oni me ka se be me ka cho say national team ni ya ban dia entimi nsisi e betua Black Stars coach ka assistant coaches ka goalkeepers trainer ka minimum under 20 under 17 yentua won ka
say ni nyina so ya ban
na ne na pani no okoye okodi pani wi a onfa na no nkopem Dynamo Jaba Waterfree onima bo pa kwesi o ojina VIP station o kwen me pe bus na me ko Summer Boy na me ko akoye scouting anajo be ko no mo bus bi o mo fa na anajo e Bantama market o Summer Boy bus bi etu anajo na o national team coach under 17 under 20 no see ho me ko Summer Boy ko 2 under 17 so mo ye campaign ho Summer Text company no any runs in China na fa omo ka na omo aduane di every day say near the national team John uji di say national team no say na coach afra ne mo ye na nkomo timi ba be hu wo brekum fa national team coach say in Janica and na mo the list aba almost 30 coaches ye de wonka enye fe odi ano to nchen a omo nsan no omo hu ntido ni hotena ne 19 twitwa we oni madwuma mu nyini fi ona mo fa adwuma ne mame enti esansa wan fa kwan paso an national team coach no okoni entua ne kakra ontimi nka owo yire wo ma oye national team coach fancy obeda abo ne yire ne ma akoma mi se sisu biemu enti se GFA catch under 17 coach so oni ne team no omonko ye scouting e wa tebu amante a ehono se ana se pai se obefa bus ana card ne beba tachiman no dura regional administration naka se NSA for no omo pick up na say na mum ye mamu nizam patrol we mu driver ni mu dura tebubu a mu fra asumasi ana obentin na mun kanche DC say regional minister say campaign na obey no wonna wadi diem ene card obeko nkra e wa tebubu amantin no ni nyina ahye ne nsa officer national team coach no sa akra ne hye Ghana moto ma bi kra onko yi ni mba ma ne mebobo no we can't run our national teams like that. Yeah, my national team I abo abaso. Let's go count.
Bishop Yankomrevia, Medasi. Whoa, yeah, for course. Yas to face, yas to brush down, maybe for course, and an opinion. Ghana grows, Mantian and Mabawana Moya between the ages of 15. Equity 35, I'm Obesamura, a year. Ghana grows more embrace the opportunity of agriculture, agribusiness. I feel more Besamo technical and vocational skills. No, yeah, Besama on Titia, a Springboard Roadshow and a MasterCard Foundation, on Money Limehouse, and a Kaboom. And to Fernand Benajin Trumu 03082557 75 Togbe banke kasi Biligbo Sokalu Joseph Fijase Kwino so Bonfo Hospital Junction bomodi answer obehwe Togbe chira kwan ya hwe no Takas TV YouTube no so ehia pa 0244484747 name Newton enso maame eda form Newton maame Newton wo Kesben ha hwe pa ochina na ye ne baso wense ne no mo de ne tompem ochina na ayo me yamon sisia. Yes, nyame adoma otena no because I will bombing na sem say ayi kwan no so ai dwaben kwan no so ana Newton nyame short den why kafra bibia be fine Newton lati yama yakọ ne abusuafo nyina baba beja o nti bibia be fine wo yemfa course 0551931931 0548931931 hello caller.
Fancy.
Yes, sir.
Fancy, we are Solomon.
Solo, it's you.
I just want some Lana from Power Touch to go watch more of the now. Fancy, my money at the Japan in Abaso. Now, Fancy, a 30 minutes of Leicester, coaches are yet no Moka into a Mokan. You need to have a so here, and I'm ministering a so here. That's when they so here, maybe more help. Because you say a
government.
A government, a so here. And a better one channel, one short one for music and more because you will be a Juma, then play the Benin, Moka, and Moya, and I said, for you to start home. You better minister me, no more Moka, and I said, Moka, Kinty, at the match and 4 more. Most and chop more from 1 more, no Moka much more. So they make him a problem of bar, almost equal radio station to radio station, maybe a student play came 4 more. Much of more than Kenya to be low. And you put on our own play, and I was a much against a country like my hour.
Okay, Emma from hello, caller.
Hello,
yes, or Penny. Yes, you, Yamache.
Well, Sunday game, no. These, who competitions to be awesome. And not done doing it. I said, we can you can see me stand with that place of caution. So if really they want to go to the final, I was so much we need to compete to kill it. Because like, ending, the advantage over here.